Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 12th April 2025. Start with the first news. AIDMK BJP seal deal for 2026 election in Tamil Nadu. China imposes 125% tariff on US goods. Rana sent to 18-day NIA custody. Agency began interrogations. Industrial output growth slow to 2.9 in February. Mayor elections on April 25. AAP BJP to square off at once again. Will publish list of tainted and untainted candidate. Bengal government tell teachers. DMK ministers loses his party post over offensive remark. Karnataka cabinet finally accepted caste census report. Discussed at next meeting. One card soon to access all public transport in Mumbai metropolitan region. CM. 6 lakh families under lands in Haryana for giving false info to avail BPL AAY benefits. SC allows government to take over land for Venard Township. Karnataka clear gig worker bill. SIP SPMP moves courts seeking security. One killed, another hurt as dust storm sweep Delhi NCR. Odisha roll out unified health coverage scheme. West Bengal next in line. Nadda. The Business India report as milestone and opportunity. The report has an adequate climate gender connection which must be rectified with the policy and ground level changes. Giving shape to the University of the Futures, creating a higher education structure in India that implement the vision of the National Education Policy 2022 will need it to be well thought-out plan. Congress High Command culture does not suit district level decision making. The conversation's argument for restructuring Dire Wolf is not credible. A murder that has widened caste fault line. NIA interrogate Rana to investigate link with those accused in 2611 case. Militant killed in Kishtwar as army operations continue in Jammu area. JK Imam read out regulations against Waqf Act in mosque. Spiritual Varanasi is now a leading economic hub. PM Modi. How will you create the crores of jobs that India needed? Rahul asked. CM face will be decided after winning Bihar Assembly election, say pilot. Lalu Nitish Modi must be shown the door. It's time for people's regime. Kishore. Trade war benefit no one. We believe in power of open markets, free and fair competitions, and level playing fields. Developed nations are more reliable trading partners, say Commerce Minister. India EVM not connected to internet or Wi-Fi, say Election Commission after US officials' comments. DRDO does release trial of long-range glide bomb. Body of missing Hungarian tourist found in Meghalaya. Equity MF inflow sink to an 11-month low amid volatility. Rupee makes recovery gold at all-time high of 96,450. Nifty rises 1.9% after Trump poses tariff. India eyeing win-win interim deals with US during the 90-day pause. US woman set record living with pig kidney before body rejected it. Pentagon chief announced spending cut worth 5.1 billions. Police demolished the minarets of Ahmadiyya's worship in Pakistan. UN says 36 Israeli strike in Gaza killed only women and children. China, EU must jointly resist unilateral bullying, say Xi. Trump tell Russia to get moving to end Ukrainian war. With 4 executions in a day, Afghanistan's recorded its highest tally under Taliban. Iran seek real and fair deal in nuclear discussions with US. Transfer window shopping why Alexander Isak is the dream and will likely remain just that. Manav Thakkar targets marginal gain after historic barrier shattering ruin. That's from my side, friend. See you soon. Jai Hind.